the galactic pulse.
Hello, young readers. Welcome back to our reading adventure. I'm your host, Mr. Reading Buddy. Today, we're diving into the world of consonant blends, and it's going to be so much fun. Are you ready? Fantastic, let's get started. Exploring consonant blends. Consonant blends are like secret codes that make words even more exciting. They're made when two or more consonants come together, and each consonant keeps its sound. Let's start with BL. When B and L team up, they create the BL blend. Say it with me, BL. Next is CL. When C and L get together, they form the CL blend. Try it, CL. Lastly, we have street. When S and T unite, they make the Saint blend. Let's say it together, street. Reading words with consonant blends. Now that we know our blends, let's read some words with these magical consonant blends. Here are some BL words: blue, black, and blow. Can you read them with me? Now, let's try CL words: clap, clown, and climb. Give it a go. And finally, we have street words: star, stop, and stomp. Try reading these ones too. Great job, young readers! You've unlocked the world of consonant blends, and you're on your way to becoming reading pros. In our next adventure, we'll explore even more reading treasures. Keep practicing your blends, and you'll be reading like champions. Thanks for joining me today on this reading journey. I can't wait to see you next time for more reading fun.